What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. So first things first, subscribe, turn on notifications, also hit that like button. Now, a lot of people are going to be salty when the bull market returns. A lot of people have allowed this, bearish feeling of, the times that we're in to, just change their minds completely. And I see people who were once pro crypto, completely giving up on crypto. And I just want to let y'all know that this happens. These are cycles that continue to repeat itself. Bear markets come, bull markets come. So keep that in mind. But let's check out this article. This is, for those who, are just getting into the space, possibly, or those who are just re-strategizing, restructuring things. How much would $100 of Shiba Inu right now be worth if it reclaimed its all-time high? So this is a small goal to look at. Now, do I think Shiba Inu can reach its all-time high again? Absolutely. Now, I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, so you got to remember this is not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold. Can't tell you to do anything. You have to do your own research, y'all. So I do think this is possible. At these levels right now, if you were to put $100 into Shiba Inu, let's take a look at what that would be worth when SHIB goes back to where it already has been before. And just imagine, most likely in this next bull run, SHIB will go even higher. That's only speculation, so you got to remember it's not financial advice. But amid the market-wide collapse, Shiba Inu is currently going through one of its lowest phases for the cycle. However, despite the bearish trend, some investors see the downturn as an opportunity to amass SHIB at a discounted price. But how much would an investor make with $100 worth of Shiba Inu if the asset eventually reclaims all-time high? Data from the prominent price tracking platform CoinMarketCap suggests that Shiba Inu's all-time high value is 8845. Notably, SHIB claims the high price amid an impressive rally in 2021. So that 8845 level is that price target sitting at 4 zeros. So right now, obviously we're some ways away from that. It looks like, see what percentage that was. So notably, SHIB claimed this high price amid an impressive rally in 2021. So that's when the overall cryptocurrency market was sitting at around $3 trillion. So you got to keep that in mind as well. We had bull market in, crypto market at the highest it has ever been at, and also Shiba Inu was fresh on the scene. So that was another, it was around for a little while, but as far as meme coins, it was still fresh. So it had a lot of excitement around it, so you got to take that into account. But now Shiba Inu does have more holders, so it's a more solid foundation. So as that Shiba releases, more excitement comes back into the market, and bull run triggers, I think Shiba Inu is in a good position to be one of those top meme coins still. I think still Shiba Inu has, ever since it broke into the top 20 cryptocurrencies, it never left that point. Recently, for about the last year, Shiba Inu has been a top 15 cryptocurrency, even a top, 13 at some points, top 12. So, it's losing a little momentum, a little steam right now, but we still have to put some respect on Shiba Inu. So, Shiba Inu rallied from that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, 166 level in March 2021 to 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 8845 in October 2021. This marked a 532,000% increase in less than 8 months. And this is what Shiba Inu can do. When SHIB moves, SHIB really moves, y'all. So, you don't want to be late to the party. I'm not telling you, to go buy a bag or anything like that, but I'm saying do your due diligence now before things start to take off. So that way you're not chasing green candles if you do decide to get in later. So, however, following the all-time high, SHIB has continued to shed off its gains. At the current price of 6,741, Shiba Inu is down 92% from its all-time high. While the situation has affected investors' confidence, some market participants wish to leverage it for accumulation. So basically taking advantage of the dip. ROI for a $100 Shiba Inu investor. If an investor purchases 100 worth of Shiba Inu at the current price, they will amass 14.8 million tokens. Should SHIB eventually reclaim all-time high of that 8845 level, these tokens would be worth $1,320. The appreciation represents a 1,220% increase. So think about that for a moment. $100 into $1,320 if SHIB goes back to all-time high prices. I think that's something that's, I can't tell you what to do, but to me, that's worth it. To $100 to potentially, leave it and let Shiba Inu eventually, do its thing and get back to that level. But it all depends on your investment strategy and if you, understand meme coins and if you believe in the Shiba Inu ecosystem and what the team is trying to do. So all that you have to factor in. But now let's take that in, okay, that's $100. But now if you put in $1,000, that could possibly be $13,121. So even if you dollar cost averaged a position up into $1,000, over the next, however long it took you to do that, if it happened before, she begins to break out of these levels, you would be basically positioning yourself, and that could be a really, really big, make a big difference for, a lot of families, to be able to potentially $1,000, depending on where you're at in the world, of course, it could be a lot of money, but it's not something that's, unachievable. Most people just putting a little money to the side can eventually save up $1,000. I'm not saying it'll be quick, but, it's doable. So, imagine being able to do that into Shiba Inu and eventually that 1,000 being 13,000. Now, obviously, you got to keep in mind it's investing, and meme coins are highly speculative. So, also your $1,000 could go down to $100. So keep that in mind as well. You never want to invest more than you're willing to lose. So if $1,000 is, you're not willing to lose that, or you're not willing to, it's not saying you want to lose it, but if you're not prepared to be able to let it go, then that means you shouldn't be investing that much. But, if you're okay with, building that position up, letting it sit for that time, that might be worth it to you. So across the crypto market, most investors regard market downturns as periods of accumulation. So they take that as an opportunity to buy more of their favorite assets for a discount. That's how you should be looking at it. If you truly believe in that, whatever token it is, whether it's Shiba Inu, if it's another coin, whatever it is, that's how you should be looking at it. So, and there's other things to factor in, like, macroeconomic conditions, whether your timeline of investing, your strategy, when you plan to take profits, all that, comes into play. But evident in the prevailing buy the dip narrative observed during such times, the consensus is that the downturn is temporary and the markets will recover. However, the extent of the recovery is usually unclear. Nonetheless, this should not serve as financial advice, as the likelihood of an investment dipping further below exists. The chances of Shiba Inu recovering its all-time high values are higher than the chance of it hitting that 0.001 level. So this is, they're basically trying to say, you can, well, basically just the chances are more realistically possible it get back to the all-time high, obviously, because it would have to go a lot further to reach this level, and Shiba Inu's obviously been here before. So, if that was your strategy, like, okay, I want to base it off of all-time high prices on how much Shiba Inu I want to have, where I could take some prices at all-time high again, or take some profits at all-time high again. But whatever your strategy is, you just want to think about that now while tokens are on a discount. So the community remains consistent in enhancement of the ecosystem. Projects such as Shibarium and the Shiba Inu metaverse are expected to attract more demand and utility. However, SHIB is not guaranteed to reclaim its all-time high, and investors should always conduct proper research. Meanwhile, the asset is currently seeking to recover the losses of the last few days, up to 2.3% in the past 24 hours. So keep that in mind. This is not financial advice, just telling you what's possible with $100 worth of Shiba Inu. So all we got for this video. Leave me a comment if y'all rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are